Hey students, this is Mrs. Trout. Before we start our video, go make sure you have a worksheet. Alright, you should have your worksheet. So we're going to get started. Whenever I write on my screen, you're going to write on your worksheet. We're going to make sure that we stay together. So, our first word problem says the elves made 12 toys. Then they broke 4. How many are left? We're going to subtract because it says how many are left and broken means take away. We're going to see how many we need to start with. It says the elves made 12 toys. We're going to circle 12. That's how many toys we started with. All right. Now we're not going to draw toys because it would take too long, but we are going to draw circles for each toy. So let's draw 12 circles for 12 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, we have 12 toys. Then it says, then they broke 4. So let's circle 4. That 4 means we need to take away 4 of these toys because they are broken. So let's put a line through 4 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we don't have these toys anymore. They are gone. Now we need to count how many are left. So any toy that does not have a line through it, let's count and then let's write them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 toys left. All right. Make sure that whatever is on my screen should look exactly like what's on your paper. And we're going to get ready to go to question number 2. Your next question should start with Mrs. Terrell. Miss Terrell bought pencils for the class. She has 10. She gave away 4. How many are left? So I need to look through these sentences and see which one tells me how many pencils Mrs. Terrell started with. Miss Terrell bought pencils for the class. This sentence does not tell me a number, so I don't need to circle anything. She has 10. That one tells me how many she has. I'm going to circle 10. And then I'm going to draw 10 pencils. I'm just going to draw rectangles. So you draw rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, you should have 10 pencils and I have 10 pencils. All right, in the rest of our sentence, it says she gave away 4. So now I know how many Mrs. Terrell gave away. And gave away means we are subtracting. So we're going to take away by putting a line through it. It says 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure that you put a line for the ones that Mrs. Terrell gave away. Now we are going to count how many she has left because it says how many are left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mrs. Terrell has 6 pencils left. Make sure before we go on to the next question that this screen looks like your paper. Since we did it together, it should match. right, your last question says, Sammy has 8 presents. He gives 2 to Trent. How many presents does he have left? All right, so I'm going to go through the first sentence and see how many presents do I need to buy. Sammy has 8 presents. This sentence tells me how many presents Sammy has. He has 8, so let's circle 8. Then we're going to make 8 squares, and those squares will be presents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says in our story, he gives 2 to Trent. So he's going to lose 2. So I'm going to circle 2, and that means he's taking away. Since he is taking away, I'm going to cross out 2 because he doesn't have any more. Trent has them. 1, 2. Now I'm going to count how many presents does Sammy have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6 presents left. And there is one more word problem for you to do. You have to do it by yourself because I need to see that you are learning while you're watching this video. So flip over your paper and subtract by drawing like we did, and then turn it into the pink basket.